I'm going to teach you guys how to make a Roblox Gamepass. So go to roblox.com, then tap that Roblox button, and after that, it's going to show you this tab, Home. And one thing you got to do is got to click on Create. Got to press that Create button right there, the Create button. Once you've clicked that Create button, it's going to show you this tab about experiences. Tap one of the experiences. If you have two or one, really just tap one of the experiences. Once you tapped on that experience, it's gonna show you this tab. So once you've seen that tab, you're gonna scroll down here until you see this icon, passes. So once you're seeing passes, what you want to do is you're gonna tap that, and once you see it, you're gonna see this a create pass button. Yeah, a create pass button. So you tap on that, and it's gonna show you a new tab. So once you see in this tab, that's how you actually create your game pass. Okay, you put a picture you want, any picture you want, and then the name of the game pass. For example, you could put like yes as the name of your game pass or whatever, and you could put anything as your description, honestly. So for example, this is what I just put as my description. And once you're done, you create that pass. But we're not done yet. So once you hit create that pass, uh, you're gonna tap that game pass you just made right now, cause it's off sale. You feel me? The game pass is off sale. So once you tap the game pass, just click it. Once you've clicked the game pass, you're gonna go to sales. Sales right here, sales. Also, once you've clicked sales, it's gonna show you this. You're gonna press item for sale and put any amount of Robux you wanna put. You could put like 1,000,000 Robux, 10 Robux, 1 Robux, or 1,000 Robux. But me, I'm gonna put 10,000 Robux. So that's the amount I'm gonna put on that Game Pass. So once that, you're gonna press the icon, save changes. So once you're done with that, you're good to go. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe.